Exactly, and this is a breaking development coming in of the Shuddhikaran or the purification ritual that Congress Party and Congress Party President Mallikarjun Kharge was raising in the Rajya Sabha yesterday. Now the BSP chief Mayawati has also weighed in on this controversy, where she has strongly condemned the reported purification of a stage after the event attended by Congress Party President Mallikarjun Kharge, alleging that it was done because he is a Dalit, and calling the incident to be highly condemnable. Mayawati has demanded strict action against those responsible, saying that the guilty should not be spared and they should be sent to jail. Now, in the meantime, let's put out exactly what the BSP Supremo has to say, because this matter that was taken up in the Rajya Sabha yesterday, to which the government, in fact, JP Nadda had responded saying that they do not subscribe or endorse to this ideology and had condemned it, saying that it is painful and in their right that they will be carrying out an inquiry. But the BSP Supremo Mayawati says that recently in Haldwani, Uttarakhand state, after the program of the Congress Party's national president, Shri Mallikarjun Kharge, the stage was purified on the grounds of him being a Dalit. This information was also conveyed to the country yesterday through Parliament, and this is highly condemnable, concerning, and the government there should without any delay take appropriate action under strict laws against such casteist and feudal elements and send them to jail. At the same time, regarding this incident, and like at the head of the RSS should also take cognizance and also certainly think seriously about it, as they are talking about depriving Dalits who have become somewhat economically stronger from reservations. So she seems to be taking up this point and seeking that there should be appropriate action on part of the government there. And let's in the meantime connect with Adib on this, because Adib, we are looking at this controversy which is now getting bigger on part of the government. However, we have already been given an assurance, and that too in the Rajya Sabha yesterday, where the BJP leaders have clearly come out to say that they do not endorse or subscribe to such an ideology. First reaction from Mayawati. Adib.
Well, certainly, Amita, see, Mayawati is now hitting out at the BJP, saying that what happened in Uttarakhand is highly condemnable, and Mallikarjun Kharge being Dalit, he was treated like this. And not just Mayawati, in fact, Akhilesh Yadav also last night took to his social media account where he condemned the act that was done with Mallikarjun Kharge. However, the government has clarified this instance in Rajya Sabha with the union minister, clarifying that the BJP does not endorse such kind of thing, and they condemn what has happened if it has really happened in Haldwani. But as of now, Mayawati went on to say that we condemn what really happened with the Mallikarjun Kharge in Haldwani, and she also went on to say that RSS chief should come out on this and clarify the situation as to what is happening with the Dalits in the country, Amita.
Right. So in the meantime, we will also put out exactly when it comes to this controversy that spilled in the Rajya Sabha, the upper house yesterday as well, before it was adjourned. Adib, thank you for that update, because we'll talk about exactly when it's come to the purification or Shuddhikaran ritual that seems to have been conducted on the stage after a program that was attended by Mallikarjun Kharge in Uttarakhand's Haldwani, and he has raised the issue on the floor of the House on the last day of the Parliament. And however, there is also a response that has come in from the BJP side. Well, first we'll play out exactly what happened yesterday.
मैंने किसी समाज का, किसी धर्म का नाम नहीं लिया, सिर्फ मैं लोगों के समस्याओं को वहां पर बताया। लेकिन मेरे स्पीच होने के बाद कल वो लोग, बीजेपी के लोग सब मिलके हवन करके उस स्टेज का शुद्धिकरण करने का काम किए। You might have read in the newspaper. Is it the way in democracy? How you are protecting the Constitution?
But it seems that as far as the Congress party is concerned, it is going to raise this issue where the Tamil Nadu Congress Committee will be also holding protest satyagrahas across all district headquarters today to condemn the alleged caste-based insult to the party president Mallikarjun Kharge at a public meeting venue in Haldwani. And this seems to be the very contention there, despite the assurances that has come in from the BJP side, which has also condemned it, saying that this is not their ideology that they follow. Dharini, what are we now looking at? TNCC is also expected to hold a protest.
The Congress Committee President Manikam Thakur has advised the district secretaries to hold a satyagraha protest this evening in all the districts across Tamil Nadu against what happened in Uttarakhand. He says that what happened in Uttarakhand was an act of untouchability. It was a discriminatory behavior, and since this behavior was meted out against All India Congress, President Mallikarjun Kharge, this is completely unacceptable. The miscreants who were indulged in this act, they were jealous of the kind of crowd that the Congress party was pulling in a public meeting in Uttarakhand. So jealous of that crowd, jealous of the reception the Congress party was receiving in that area. That is why they've done this act, and this is completely condemnable. And the Tamil Nadu Congress Committee will hold a protest across the state this evening, and this will be satyagraha protest. So there won't be much sloganeering, and we cannot see much aggression. But the Congress cadre and the Congress functionaries, they will be seated silently, and they will be indulging in a satyagraha protest, is what Manikam Thakur has told. And of course, this protest is expected to happen this evening across Tamil Nadu. So all the district secretaries, they've been given instructions to organize for a satyagraha protest. So they are right now getting permissions from the respective district police departments, and by this evening we can expect the Congress to hold this massive protest across Tamil Nadu.
All right. So this massive protest across Tamil Nadu is something which has now been devised as far as this plan by the Tamil Nadu Congress Committee, and of course as far as this protest that has also happened in the Rajya Sabha yesterday, this has also been taken up by the BJP. So thank you very much for the moment, Dhardni, for joining in. We're going to